What the heck?
I'm gonna kick your ass! What do you think you're doing? You out of your mind? Look what you did to the house! Sick of your shit. No! Get out of here, man. It's enough of you.
Oh. What are you doing with the game?
What
are you doing with the game?
Yeah, you like your games, huh? Fucking around all day with your bullshit.
Dude, you're crazy.
Enjoy it, dude. Oh, fucking ass. There you go. Gone. Gone, man.
Are you serious?
Done.
What is wrong with you, Kurt? You and Danny need to knock this crap off.
Done, dude. Done. Yeah, you think it's funny. That was just a joke.
You guys both deserve this. Kurt, what are you doing? You need to knock the... What?
Sit your ass down. Down.
Oh, what are you doing? Kurt!
God, broken arm and fucking sprained arm.
Where are you going with this, Kurt?
I've had it with him. His freaking game addiction. Stupid little prank, and he pulls this every time.
It's fresh air down here, jeez. Give it back to him.
Get that over here.
Dude.
He's not getting it.
What is putting it in your blue box gonna do?
What?
What is putting it in your little blue box gonna do?
I'm locking it up. He ain't get it. It was just a prank. What does he do? Did you see what he did in the house?
You guys both deserve this.
Out of his mind.
You guys both deserve what you've gotten.
Whatever. He's always full of it. Pulling this every time. You can't even do something.
Your hair is all white.
What you did in the house.
Danny, you got it all over the window!
Just leave that open.
What? You got it all over the window, Danny! What happened to your leg?
Freaking hit it.
I'm going good. It serves you right. I'm going to clean up. You sit there. I don't want you doing anything. You know what? We're going to set the fan up.
What? Just
sit there. Don't do anything, Danny.
What are you doing? You think you're gonna go in the basement and get out of his box?
You put it in the box?
Yeah. He locked it up. I don't know why you think that'll work.
Danny, lift in the curtains.
Dude, you're gonna get in even more trouble. You're stupid. You're screwed now, Dan. You wanna stop? Hey, knock it off. Dude. Oh. That's not even gonna open. It's not gonna work, Dan. You deserve this, you know, you shouldn't even split him with that. I don't know why you think it's just funny. Hey, what are you doing? Knock this crap off. Knock it off. What are you doing? Do not do that. Put the sledgehammer down now.
Hammer down. No.
Put the sledgehammer down.
No.
Hey, sledgehammer down now.
No. Let go of it, idiot.
What, Danny? Put the sledgehammer down. Hey! What are you doing? Enough! Dude, you're so... Oh my... What is wrong with you? Stop this! Dude, stop! Stop! What is wrong with you? Stop! Danny, stop! Stop! Enough! All this for the stupid Wii? What are you doing? Enough! What is this for, Danny? This is so stupid. Danny, enough! Enough!
Go of it.
What is wrong with you? You should just leave it there. What are you doing? He's gonna get really mad at you, Danny. You are so screwed. This is not even good. Knock this crap off. What is wrong with you, Danny? You need to stop it now. Look at this. It's not even gonna be usable now. What are you doing, Danny? You destroyed his box. You know how mad he's gonna get at you now, Danny? What
What's
is
so
wrong with
special
you?
about a box?
It doesn't matter. It's his stuff. You don't mess with another man's stuff. You know that, right?
Shouldn't have messed with me.
You could also take a joke. You should learn how to do that. Moron.
You should also take a hike.
Shut up. Oh, he's done with the shower.
I legit got that in my eyes, Danny, you idiot. Or what you're thinking. Where did that come from?
I got it out of the box.
What? What?
What the heck are you wearing?
Man, what did he do?
He destroyed the box.
What? What?
Watch it, dude. You don't get a sliver.
He grabbed the... Get out of my way!
What are you doing with the sledgehammer now? You both are freaking idiots.
Heavens. You broke that box.
Come on, not a second time.
I am done. I am done.
You guys both deserve this anyways.
Second time.
What?
Are you kidding?
What are you doing? Kurt! Stop!
Get out of here. Get it.
Dude! What, Danny? What are you...
Danny, knock it off. Knock it off. Danny!
What are you wearing? Kurt, what are you wearing?
You're out of your mind.
It's fine.
Get over here. In there. In there. Go. Done. And you, what are you doing letting him go down there and break the box? Are you out of your mind?
Moron, he had a sledgehammer in his hand.
So? Like you can't stop him and you videotape it?
The end.